Hello and welcome everyone. Today video is regarding WhatsApp support service question. Regarding a question the student have asked from us to WhatsApp support service. Let's see what's the content. Today topic is what is a DTD. Actually, this is regarding XML in web development, web engineering. Okay, DTD is a document type definition. Actually, DTD is a document type definition. A DTD defines the structure and the legal element and attributes of an XML document. Through DTD, it is define the structure and the legal elements and attributes of an XML document. Then we can consider about why use DTD. Why use a DTD? With a DTD, independent group of people can agree on a standard DTD for interchanging data. An application can use the DTD to verify that XML data is valid. There are two types of DTD declaration, just like CSS. Let's see what are they. One is an internal DTD declaration. If the DTD is declared inside the XML file, it must be wrapped inside the doc type definition. This is an example. XML document with an internal DTD. We can find that this is the doc type. This is the end of it. Everything is added in the inside of the doc type definition. In here you can find the start of the doc type. This is the end of the doc type. Everything has been added to inside the doc type definition. The above DTD, the DTD above can be interpreted like this. Let's see it. First one, doc type node. Doc type node is first one. Doc type node define that the root element of this document is node. Next one, element node. Second one, in the element node, define that the node element must contain 4 elements to from heading body. These 4. Then element 2, define the true element to be of type PC data. Next one, element form, define the form element to be type of type PC data. Next one, element heading, define the heading element to be of type PC data. Last one, element body, define the body element to be of type PC data. These 4. This is the end of doc type. Next one is external DTD declaration. If the DTD is declaring an external file, the doc type definition must contain in a reference to the DTD file, just like the external CSS embedding external CSS file. In here we can find an example. Doc type node system node.dtd. This is the external reference. After we embed it as an external reference, we will have to add the content. The content in the node.dtd file should be like this, same like the internal one. Element node to from heading body, all 4. There are all 4 categories. Then after that 4 categories, element 2 from heading and body. I think now you have a good idea about the basic of DTD. If you have further doubt, you can send us a WhatsApp message to get to know further details about this. So if you have any doubt, you can send a WhatsApp message. I think so. Till we meet again with another video. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.